Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve this engineering mechanics problem. A beam 6 meter long is loaded as shown in figure. You see this drawing, this length is 6 meter. Determine reactions at A and B. We will find the support reaction A and B. First, we will draw FBD diagram. After that, we will use three equilibrium conditions to solve this problem. What are these three equilibrium conditions? Summation of f of x is equal to 0, summation of f of y is equal to 0, summation of m is equal to 0. You see in this drawing, UDL is given. How we will convert UDL into point load? Now we will see how to convert UDL to point load. This is UDL. This is L length. This is W. WL is the UDL. So how we will convert this one? The midpoint of UDL load is the point load. So length is how much given? Length is given as 2. So midpoint is how much comes? 1 here, here is 1. So we will split 1 meter. Here is also 1 meter. What is the area of rectangle formula? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth or base into height. What is base here? Base is this one, length. Height is W. So base is 2, height is 1.5. What comes 3? 3 kilonewton by meter into meter. So this and this cancel. What comes? 3 kilonewton. So this point load is 3 kilonewton. Now we will draw FBD of this reaction. Draw the line. You see in this support A is hinged support. So hinged support has two reactions, vertical and horizontal. This is roller support. Roller support has one reaction always in the vertical direction. Now we will take A. A is hinge support. Hinge support has two reactions, vertical and horizontal. Now we will draw vertical. Draw the line. So now we will draw horizontal line. Now draw the line. The force acts upwards in vertical. We will draw the arrow in this direction. This direction is positive. Opposite direction is negative. Based on the answer, we will change the direction. We will write this is R A H. This one is R A B. Next we will draw C. C is in downward direction. Now we will draw the line. Next we will draw UDL. UDL we converted into point load. Point load, this is the midpoint of UDL. So midpoint we will take it as M. This one we will draw. Next we will draw D. D is in inclined, so we will draw inclined. Now we will draw the line. Next we will draw hinge support. Hinge support is one reaction. Reaction is perpendicular to the surface in vertical direction. Now we will draw the line in vertical. Now we will name this is as C. How much is given? 5 kilonewton. This is 3 kilonewton. We will take this is as a M. So this distance is 1 meter. This distance is 1 meter. Arrow comes this side. You see this angle. Angle is given as 135. This is 90 degree above. So don't take this. We will take less than 90. So what we will take? This is 180. The straight line is 180. So 180 minus 135, what comes this angle? This angle is 45 degree. So we will take this angle as 45 degree. So this is as D. This is always vertical reaction. This is RB. Direction of force is always perpendicular. So this distance is 2 meter. This distance is 2 meter. Up to here, this distance is 3 meter. Up to here distance is 4 meter. This 2 final is 6 meter. This is free body diagram of this reaction. Next, what we will do, we will use 3 equilibrium conditions to solve this problem. First, we will take summation of f of x is equal to summation of h is equal to 0. This is resolving all the forces horizontally. Arrow goes this side is positive. You remember the graph. This is x, this is y. X is in horizontal, y is in vertical. So this one we will take it as positive. The vertical above is also positive. First we will consider h, horizontal only. So we will see the horizontal force. You see the arrow goes this side. You see this side is positive, right? So this side is RAH is positive. Positive RAH. Next, you see nothing else. You see this is inclined force. Inclined force will resolve now. Draw the line. You see the arrow is in downward. So we will draw the arrow here and here. So 45 degree comes here, 45 degree. You see the degree comes this side. So degree side is cos, other side is sine. I'll draw here. Arrow comes this side, goes here. This is 45 degree. So 3 cos 45 degree. Other side is 3 sine 45 degree. Now we will take only horizontal. So horizontal is goes this side. You see the arrow goes this side. So this side is positive. We will take plus 3 cos 45 degrees equal to 0. RAH plus 2.828 equal to 0. RAH is equal to minus 2.828 kilonewton. You see the answer comes negative. You see the arrow goes this side. If negative means arrow comes opposite. So we will draw the arrow opposite direction. This won't come. Next, summation of f of y is equal to summation of v is equal to 0. Resolving all the forces vertically. So vertical means this side is positive. So you see the arrow goes upward. Upward means positive. You see the FBD drawing. First force goes up. So up means positive. RAV. Next, you see the vertical force comes down. The arrow comes down. Down means minus. Minus 5. You see above only positive. The arrow comes below means negative. Next also arrow comes below. Below means minus 3. Next you see here, we will see here arrow comes down. Down is minus 3 sine 45 degree. Next you see here arrow goes up. Up is positive. So positive means plus. Or B is equal to 0. RAV minus 8 minus 2.828. 3 sine 45 degrees 2.828 plus RB is equal to 0. Next, RAV plus RB is equal to 10.828 kilonewton. You see, three equilibrium conditions to solve this problem. First two conditions we solved. Next, we will take summation of M. We need to find RB, right? So we will take summation of M. Take moment of all forces about A. What we will find? To find RB, we will take summation of ME equal to 0. So clockwise is positive, anti-clockwise is negative. But in this case we will use clockwise. So we will take clockwise only. So moment at A is this point. So this point always 0. Moment is 0. Next we will go C. So here is the moment at point A. From here to here, draw the circle. So draw the circle. The arrow comes down, right? It goes this side, arrow. You see, arrow this side is positive. So this is positive. Plus 5 into force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance is 2. We will take 2. Next, we will take this from here to here. So draw the circle. Arrow is downward. It comes this side. So this side is, you see, moment this side is positive. This also comes positive. So positive means plus 3 into perpendicular distance from here to here. What comes 2 plus 1? 3. You will write 3. Next, you see this vertical force. So vertical force is comes down only. So from here to here only we'll see. From here to here draw the circle. From here to here draw the circle. It comes clockwise. The arrow comes down, so clockwise. What comes plus 3 sine 45 degree into perpendicular distance from here to here 4. Next we will see this. From here to here draw the circle. From here to here draw the circle. It goes upright, so it comes this side. So this is anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise is minus RB into perpendicular distance from here to here. So here to here only we'll see. From here to here. What is the distance? 6. 6 equal to 0. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 3 sine 45 is 2.83 into 4 minus 6 RB is equal to 0. Next 30.32 minus 6 RB is equal to 0. RB is equal to 30.22 divided by 6 is equal to 5.05 kilonewton. RB is equal to 5.05 kilonewton. So this is the answer. You see here RB value we got. Here RAV plus RB is equal to this one. So we will substitute RB here. So what comes? RAV equal to 10.828 minus 5.05. RAV is equal to 5.77 kilonewton. Now we calculated RAH, RAV, RB, But we need to calculate RA. So how we will calculate RA here? Now we will calculate RA, reaction at A. RA is equal to root of RAH the whole square plus RAB the whole square. What is RAH value? 2.828 plus RAB is 5.77 the whole square. This is also whole square root. RA is equal to 6.43 kilo Newton. Now we got RA. Next we will find direction of resultant force. What is direction of resultant force formula? Tan theta is equal to RAB divided by RAH. What is RAB value? Is 5.77 divided by RAH is 2.828 equal to what comes? 63.9 degree theta. Next, what we will do? You see here, the arrow comes opposite. Why? It comes negative. Now we will draw the free body of this side. The arrow goes this side. This is RAH. So here is RAV. So the angle comes here. This is 63.9 degree. This is RA. RA is equal to 6.43 kilo Newton. What we need to find? Determine the reactions at A and B. RA is 6.43, RB is 5.05 kilo Newton. Thanks for watching this video.